Chapter 1 Classification of Computers. Concept note: computers can be classified into several categories based on their size, purpose, and functionality. Learning outcomes: children will be able to explore various historic computation devices, understand various types of computers. Tia: Hey Neha, did you know our smartphones are like tiny computers? Neha: Really, Tia? I always thought they were just for calling and texting. Tia: Actually, smartphones are powerful like computers. Neha: Wow, that's amazing. So our smartphones are like computers that we carry everywhere. Tia: Yes, exactly. Do you know how the computer was developed? Neha: I had no idea how computers have changed so much. I'm really excited to learn more about them. Tia: Let's start exploring the development of digital computers. The development of digital computers has been influenced by various historical devices and machines. These devices played a significant role in shaping the evolution of computers. To understand their importance, we can divide these computing devices into three main groups: calculating devices, mechanical machines, electronic computers. Calculating devices. Abacus. The abacus is one of the oldest counting and calculating devices. It was developed in China around 3000 BCE. It consists of beads on rods used to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction. It is still used for teaching basic mathematical concepts and mental calculations. Fact Corner. Did you know that the first computers were actually people? The term computer used to refer to skilled people who performed repetitive calculations for tasks like plotting navigational tables and determining planetary positions. Napier's bones. Napier's bones was a calculating device developed by John Napier in 1617. Napier's bones consist of a set of numbered rods or sticks used for multiplication and division calculations. Slide rule. The slide rule was a mechanical calculating device developed by William Oughtred and other developers in the 17th century. It was based on the logarithms by John Napier and used for various mathematical computations such as multiplications, squares, cubes, square roots, exponentials, logarithms, and trigonometric functions. It was widely used by engineers, scientists, and mathematicians before the rise of electronic calculators and computers. Fact Corner. The slide rule played an important role in the historic moon landing. NASA engineers in the 1960s used slide rule during the Apollo mission to perform complex calculations for space travel. Mechanical machines. Pascaline. Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator developed by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It was used to perform both addition and subtraction. It was primarily designed to help Pascal's father in his work as a tax collector. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz calculator or stepped reckoner was a mechanical calculator developed by Gottfried Leibniz in 1671. It was the improved version of the Pascaline capable of performing all four arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Jacquard loom. The Jacquard loom was invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard in 1801. It was a special weaving machine that used punched cards to control its operation and create complex patterns in fabric. These punched cards acted as a form of input and storage which laid the foundation for the development of computer programming concepts. Difference engine. The difference engine was developed by Charles Babbage in 1822. It was a special calculator with gears and levers that could automatically calculate complex polynomial functions. Although it was never fully completed, its design and ideas laid the foundation for modern-day computers and revolutionized the world of computing. Analytical engine. After facing challenges with the first difference engine, Charles Babbage worked on a more advanced machine called the analytical engine. It was a revolutionary concept developed by Charles Babbage around 1837. The analytical engine introduced the idea of a general-purpose computer capable of performing various computations. It was programmable using punched cards, allowing it to execute complex calculations and store data for future use. Since both the difference engine and the analytical engine contributed essential ideas and concepts that laid the foundation for modern computers, Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. Fact Corner. Ada Lovelace is considered the world's first computer programmer. Tabulating machine. Tabulating machine was a counting machine developed by Dr. Hermann Hollerith in 1890s. It used punch cards to process large amounts of data accurately. The machine was first used to help the tabulation of data during the US Census. This machine laid the foundation for modern data processing. Mark I. Mark I was developed by Howard H. Aiken in 1944. It was one of the first electromechanical computers. It was about 51 feet long and 8 feet high, weighing around 5 tons. It helped with complex scientific and engineering calculations. Electronic computers. Finally, let us explore some electronic computers that played important roles in the history of computing. ENIAC, or Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator. ENIAC was developed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert in 1946. It was one of the earliest general-purpose electronic digital computers. It was a massive machine that occupied an area of 1800 square feet, which is equivalent to the size of a large room and weighed 30 tons. EDSAC, or Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. EDSAC was developed by Maurice Wilkes and his team in 1949. It was the second electronic digital computer based on stored program concept, capable of storing and executing instructions from memory. It played an important role in scientific research and was used for various computations and calculations. UNIVAC 1, or Universal Automatic Computer. UNIVAC 1 was developed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert in 1951. UNIVAC 1 was the first commercially available computer. It was mainly used for scientific calculations, data processing, and business applications. Classification of computers. After the invention of electronic computers, researchers continued to develop various types of computers for different types of tasks. Modern-day computers have been classified into 3 types. Classification of computers by size: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini-computer, microcomputer. By purpose: general-purpose computer, special-purpose computer. By type: analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. Computers on the basis of size and capacity. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are also known as personal computers or PCs. They use microprocessors, which are the central processing units, CPUs, that perform the computations and data processing within the computer. These computers are small in size but considered the most powerful computers. These computers are widely used in homes, offices, schools, business, entertainment, etc. They are generally referred to as general-purpose computers because they can handle a wide range of applications. They come in various forms including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Uses of microcomputers. Microcomputers are commonly used in households for various tasks such as web browsing, email, social media, online shopping, entertainment, and educational purposes. Microcomputers are used in offices as essential tools for various tasks such as word processing, data entry, spreadsheet calculations, creating presentations, and managing databases. Microcomputers are extensively used in businesses for accounting, inventory management, and other administrative tasks. Mini-computers. Mini-computers are also known as mid-range computers. They are larger and more expensive than microcomputers. They are designed to handle complex tasks and large volumes of data as compared to microcomputers. They are commonly used in small offices, laboratories, and educational institutions. Uses of mini-computers. Mini-computers are used in industries and research centers for real-time applications. Mini-computers are employed in booking systems for various purposes such as flight reservations, hotel bookings, and event scheduling. Banks and financial institutions use mini-computers to manage financial records, track accounts, and handle payroll processes. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are large and more powerful computers than mini-computers. They are designed to handle a huge amount of data processing and perform complex calculations. They can support multiple users and run multiple tasks simultaneously. They are typically used by large organizations, government agencies, and institutions that require high-performance computing capabilities. Uses of mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are widely used for processing large-scale and high-volume transactions such as online banking transactions, airline reservations, credit card processing, and stock trading. Mainframe computers are used by many government departments to handle citizen records, tax processing, and other administrative tasks. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are the most powerful and high-performance computers. They are built using advanced technologies such as multiple processors, parallel processing, and specialized hardware devices. They are designed to perform complex calculations and process massive amounts of data at very high speed. These computers are used for scientific research, weather forecasting, oil and gas exploration, and defense purposes. Uses of supercomputers. Supercomputers are used in weather forecasting, climate studies, and prediction of natural disasters. Supercomputers are used in medical research to analyze complex biological data, study diseases, and develop new drugs and treatment options. Supercomputers are used in aerospace and engineering industries for simulations, design, and testing of aircraft, spacecraft, and other complex systems. Computers on the basis of purpose. General purpose. General purpose computers can perform various tasks such as data processing, data entry, calculations, multimedia activities, internet browsing, etc. These computers are suitable for a wide variety of uses in homes, offices, schools, and research institutions. General purpose computers are relatively smaller in size, have a moderate storage capacity, and are affordable compared to specialized computing devices. Examples: desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Special purpose. These computers are designed to perform specific tasks or functions. The size, storage capacity, and cost of such computers mainly depend on the nature and size of the work. These computers are customized to perform specific requirements of their intended applications. Examples: automatic teller machines, ATMs, washing machines, surveillance equipment, weather forecast simulators, traffic control computers, defense-oriented applications, oil exploration systems, computers for controlling military planes. Computers on the basis of hardware design and data handling. Analog computer. Analog computers are used primarily to measure physical units like the voltage, pressure, electric current, temperature, and convert them into digits. Analog computers are mainly used in the fields of science and engineering. Examples: simple clock, speedometer, voltmeter, etc. Digital computer. A digital computer represents letters, numerical values, or any other special symbols. It uses electronic signals and operates with binary numbers which consist of only two digits, 0 and 1. Examples: desktop computer, laptop, or smartphones. Hybrid computer. A hybrid computer is a type of computer that combines the features and capabilities of both analog and digital computers. It can process a wide range of applications and tasks. Hybrid computers are extremely fast at solving complex mathematical equations and performing real-time data analysis with remarkable speed and accuracy. Examples: auto gasoline pump, flight simulator. Flashback. Microcomputers are general-purpose computers. A laptop is an example of a microcomputer. Mini-computers are larger and expensive than microcomputers. Mainframe computers are larger and expensive than mini-computers. A digital computer represents letters, numerical values, or any other special symbols. Mini-computers and mainframe computers are used for data calculations. Hybrid computers are built using both analog and digital properties.